Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track phone number location. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly track a phone number here. So maybe you want to check on someone, or if you want to check on your own phone number, just in case. Now, the thing with phone number and location is it's kind of hard to find or to exactly pinpoint their location. Because the thing with this pinpointing their location is it requires special equipment and even permission from the law or from law enforcement. So, is there a way for you to legally do this? Now, the only way for you to do this is if you own the phone number that you want to track here or the phone that you want to track here. Now, typically speaking, you just need to go and open up your settings here in your Android device, and also you may need to make sure that you own or that your account that you're using right now for Google is actually signed in on that other phone as well, so that you can track that specific device. But yeah, typically in here you want to go and just scroll down a bit, and you want to look for Google. Go and open it up. And under Google, you want to go and just click or look for the Find Hub section. So you can go and just click on the Open button here. Now, it may require you to authenticate yourself, so go and just authenticate yourself. But once you've done that, you should be able to see all the devices that is connected on that specific account. And you go and just click on it, and you'll be able to view where that specific phone is. Now, currently, this is the only legal way for you to do this without being in trouble. So obviously there are other devices or other apps out there you could actually buy and use, like for example Life 360 and a lot more out there. But again, this is the only legal way. Now, if you want to track an actual phone number, well, for legal purposes, it's best to report this to law enforcement or to the police. Because again, it requires you to have a very specific instrument and a number of devices here in order for them to locate a certain person. Now, remember, always report to law enforcement or to the police first, so that if you're worried about someone, they'll be able to check on them in behalf of you. But yeah, currently this is the only way for you to do this. Now, if there are any websites that offers you to check specific phone number locations, yeah, well, in this case, you may want to think it through, because sometimes they would actually just steal your information. So you may want to be careful out there. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.